Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the files you need and creating the project. Import the photo and video into your editor, then drop the video onto the timeline. Once done, place the image on a higher track above the video so you can see how they align. Make sure to set project resolution and frame rate to match your video. This prevents scaling issues and dropped frames. Now you're ready to position the picture and tweak its size. Now you adjust the image so it fits the shot. Use the transform tools, scale to resize, position to move, and rotate if the angle is off. If you need only part of the photo, crop or add a rectangular mask, feather the edges slightly for a natural blend. For picture-in-picture, reduce opacity or choose a blend mode to integrate the image with the background. Once satisfied, scrub the timeline to confirm the image stays aligned across the clip. Finish by smoothing motion and exporting a test. If the image should move, add keyframes for position and scale and ease the keyframes for smooth motion. Then apply basic color correction to match exposure and white balance so the picture doesn't look pasted on. Render a short segment to confirm playback quality. If you see sync drift or jitter, make sure tracks are locked, check frame rate consistency, and retime keyframes. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.